If you disappear in relationships, losing your needs, your voice, or your sense of self, it's not because you're weak. It's because self-abandonment once kept you safe. Welcome back. This is episode 3 of Relationship Trauma Healing Series, where we explore relationship patterns through the lens of safety, not self-blame. Now, you don't need to change anything while watching. Just notice what feels familiar. And what I hear people say is, I don't know who I am anymore when I'm in relationship. I give and give until I'm exhausted. I'm afraid that if I ask for too much, I'll lose them. And this pattern often starts early when connection felt staying connected meant staying quiet, agreeable, or staying small. Your nervous system learned something important. Maintaining connection mattered more than maintaining yourself. So your body adapted by monitoring others' moods, minimizing your needs, anticipating reactions, staying emotionally available even when it cost you. This isn't lack of boundaries, it's survival strategy. Now, I want to be very clear here. You didn't choose to abandon yourself. Your body learned that staying connected required it. And patterns built for survival don't disappear through willpower, they soften through safety. And here's the shift that restores choice. Staying connected doesn't require erasing yourself. Healthy relationship allows room for needs, boundaries, differences, your full presence. You don't need to disappear to be loved. So here's a gentle somatic practice. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly and ask softly, what part of me learned that staying meant shrinking? Remember, you're not fixing, this is just an awareness. Now, in the next episode, we'll talk about why leaving can feel harder than staying, even when you know the relationship isn't healthy. And this understanding brings compassion to a place many people feel stuck. You are allowed to be fully here and still be loved. I'll see you in the next video.